Before we begin, make sure that the Bluetooth wall plate is connected to your TV through HDMI. On the Bluetooth wall plate, make sure the button with the TV icon is lit up blue. When the button's blue, all TV audio should be heard, provided that the TV is running HDMI ARC. To begin pairing a Bluetooth device, press the Bluetooth button to switch to the proper mode. Press again and hold to enable Bluetooth pairing. The button will begin blinking. On your phone or other Bluetooth-compatible device, go into your Bluetooth settings and select the wall plate. Once the pairing is complete, the Bluetooth button will stop blinking and remain solid. The A and B buttons beneath indicate different speaker zones, such as indoor and outdoor. Audio will be sent to whichever zone is lit up and selected. You can change which zone audio is being sent to at any time. The currently active zone will be lit up blue.